Hey guys! I hope everyone is safe and well. I have actually been learning how to bake and learning a lot more cooking since lockdown started, because we've all got so much more time, which has been quite nice actually for a change. And I thought it would be quite a good idea to learn how to bake some donuts, because I've been craving them so bad. So after a few tries, a lot of failed attempts, I think I've got it. So I'm going to show you how to make vegan baked donuts. So first of all, you're going to need 190 grams of self-raising flour, 150 grams of caster sugar, quarter teaspoon baking powder, quarter teaspoon nutmeg, quarter teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of applesauce, and 180 ml of dairy-free milk. I used oats, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 5 tablespoons of dairy-free melted butter, and a donut tray. Just pop your oven on at 180 degrees and you're good to go. So this recipe should make about 12 small donuts. So first of all, you get your flour and you sieve it into your mixing bowl. So nice and high so you get lots of air into your bowl. Then you add your sugar, baking powder, salt, and then your nutmeg. Then you mix all of your dry ingredients together. And now you want to move on to your wet ingredients, so you add in your milk, applesauce. Oh, that was a big plop. Then you add your melted butter. And then lastly, you want to put in your vanilla extract. Ooh la la, tasty. Mix all of that together until you get no more lumps. And now we need to get our donut batter into our donut tray. So the way we do that is using a simple plastic Ziploc bag. We don't need no fancy piping bags today. To make it easier, you can just pop it in a cup or a jug. Give it a twist, and you just need to cut the tip of the bag, of the corner of the bag, then we can pipe it into our baking tray. You might need to get a friend to help you to do this part. Then you just carefully pour. It'll be quite runny, so be careful. Just to the top, like so. Pop them in the middle shelf of the oven for about 20 minutes. Okay, so I've taken them out of the oven. They're looking quite golden and a bit funny shaped, but the magic happens once you turn them over. And this is where the fun part begins. For decorations, I'll be using Lotus Biscoff crunchy spread, some sprinkles, some Betty Crocker chocolate icing, vanilla buttercream, and I've just crumbled up some Oreos to sprinkle on top. So we made 6 donuts today. We did have some batter left over, but we didn't use it all. So we did some with chocolate and vanilla. We decided to put some popcorn on this one. I mean, I've never tried this before or seen it been done before, so this will be interesting. And we've got some Oreos, which should be delicious. And we have a bit of Biscoff Lotus spread and vanilla and just your cute sprinkled ones. So the best bit of all is the taste test. So which one should I eat first?
Popcorn!
Should I try it?
Yeah.
Okay. This could either be really horrible or really good. I might try it.
Not anymore.
Oh my god. That is so fluffy. Got it all around my mouth. I'm gonna have another bite. The popcorn does work. You can't really taste it too much, but really, really good. So delicious. I'm not gonna try anymore. I'm so happy. Sorry. So you should definitely give this a go at home. It's a really, really easy recipe. The ingredients are really easy to find. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And on that note, I've got somewhere to be.
Hey, where have you got?